Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shweta Jain and today I am going to tell you about difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Generally, a lot of people just know that they have diabetes. They don't have any idea if it is type 1 diabetes or type 2, or most of them think they are almost the same. But as a word of caution, they should not be confused with each other. And there are some fundamental differences in treatment of both these conditions which you should be aware of. Before I tell you about the difference between both the problems, it is crucial for you to know type 1 and type 2 diabetes in detail. So I will be talking about what are type 1 and type 2 diabetes, what are their causes, what are their symptoms, how can we diagnose type 1 and type 2 diabetes, and finally their treatment. What is type 1 and type 2 diabetes? The main reason for having type 1 diabetes is the scarcity of insulin in the body. When the pancreas in your body is not able to produce insulin or produce it in the lesser quantity than required, the condition is known as type 1. Whereas type 2 diabetes on the other hand is a condition where pancreas creates insulin, however the cell resists its proper use or there is insulin resistance. In turn, pancreas creates more insulin to transfer glucose in the cells, however due to insulin resistance the glucose eventually builds up in the blood. What are the causes of type 1 and type 2 diabetes? Type 1 diabetes mostly starts in childhood. Its main causes include genetic factor. If someone in your family has a diabetes, it may be your father or mother. Our immune system also malfunctions and play a role in developing type 1 diabetes. In people with type 1 diabetes, the immune system mistakes the body's own healthy cells for foreign invaders. The immune system attacks and destroys the insulin producing beta cells in the pancreas. After these beta cells are destroyed, the body is unable to produce insulin. On the other hand, type 2 diabetes has different cause. People with type 2 diabetes have insulin resistance. The body will produce insulin but it is not able to use it effectively. You are more likely to get type 2 diabetes if you are older than 45 years of age, you are overweight or obese, especially if you have a belly fat, have a sedentary lifestyle and don't exercise, eat a lot of unhealthy food, have a sleep problem, have a high cholesterol or high triglycerides. Next, let's come to what are the symptoms of both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Both type 1 and type 2 diabetes have similar symptoms and the eventual impact of the body is similar. If you have type 1 or type 2 diabetes, you might notice that you pee a lot as your kidney tries to excrete the excess glucose through urination. You are a lot thirstier than usual as frequent urination starves your body of water. Third, your vision is blurry as when the blood sugar levels are high for a long time, body water is pulled into the eyelids causing it to swell. Lastly, you are a lot more tired than usual as under diabetes, glucose, which is the key source of energy, remains in your blood and is not able to be transported in the cell. Although many of the symptoms of type 1 and type 2 diabetes are similar, but they are present in very different ways. The symptoms of type 1 diabetes develop quickly, typically over the course of just a few weeks. These symptoms typically show up in childhood or adolescence. However, it's possible to develop type 1 diabetes at any age. On the other hand, many people with type 2 diabetes won't have any symptoms for many years. Their symptoms often develop slowly over the course of time. In fact, some people with type 2 diabetes have no symptoms at all and don't discover they have the condition until major complications arise such as amputation, blindness, heart attack, etc. How type 1 and type 2 diabetes can be diagnosed? There are certain universal methods to check diabetes including HbA1c test, fasting blood sugar test and random glucose test. They are used for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. We have also discussed about these tests in detail in other video. The link is in the description. Apart from these, your doctor might advise insulin level test for type 1 diabetes detection and insulin resistance test for type 2 diabetes detection. Let's talk about them briefly. Insulin level test for type 1 diabetes. This blood insulin test tells you the level of insulin in your body. Normally, the level of insulin in our body stands at 2.5 to 25 microunits per ml. If the test shows an insulin level below 2.5, then you are having type 1 diabetes, that is low or no insulin production in your body. Insulin resistance test for type 2 detection. If the level of insulin resistance increases in your body, it can lead to type 2 diabetes. You can measure your insulin resistance to identify the severity of diabetes. Checking the insulin resistance involves a very simple formula, that is insulin resistance level is equal to fasting insulin level into fasting blood sugar level divided by 4 not 5. If the value stands at 0.5 to 1.49, then the body is not having any insulin resistance. If the value is between 1.5 to 2.5, this indicates moderate level of insulin resistance, followed by the value of more than 2.5, which indicates severe insulin resistance. If a person is having moderate level of insulin resistance, then diabetes can be reversed in around 6 months to 1 year. While if the insulin resistance is severe, then it might take at least 1.5 to 2 years. What is the treatment for type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes? Type 1 diabetes is primarily cured through regular insulin therapy. Since your pancreas is unable to produce insulin on its own, you can inject insulin in your body via insulin injections. Whereas in case of type 2 diabetes, other treatments such as regular medication, healthy eating and regular exercises are applicable. That said, treatment for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes involves lowering the blood sugar level. Therefore, most treatments for type 2 are also effective in treating type 1 as well. Friends, if you are suffering from type 1 or type 2 diabetes and finding it difficult to manage diabetes on your own, Diabetes Mantra can help. We provide you with the best diabetologist, dietitian and health coaches who will guide you for the exercises, your diet and everything about diabetes. Download the Diabetes Mantra app to know more. Also friends, if you find this video helpful, then please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so you will never miss any diabetes related update. Thank you.